Oh, rag's on fire.
What? Oh, that's great.
I'm gonna put the carburetor out. All right, now do it with the gas on. It's a send button. What this does is it links these two together, so your wire speed, your voltage, and your amperage all change together. Who turned out the lights? What show is that
Doctor
from?
Who?
Hey, who turned out the lights?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. You excited?
I am.
All right, what is it?
What do we think it is?
Christmas came late.
A little bit.
This came the day after.
Oh, I think it maybe possibly could be a welder.
This is from what is it? ArcCaptain? Did we even write that down? Yeah, ArcCaptain. Okay, so they sent us this to test.
All the parts are here too.
So we got, okay, so we got 220 and 110. So we'll try it on a 110 first. Okay, that's a hose for gas. So we're gonna have to get my old welder. Oh, look at the packaging. Okay, that's a nozzle. That's a tip. Guide bearings. Spare nozzle. I don't know what this is. We'll have to look that up. Here's the MIG gun. Look, it says MIG. MIG 15. And then we got, this is for stick welding. Well, that's going to be annoying on film.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
I was hoping,
So peaceful.
I was hoping that it was going to have the TIG, because that was kind of what started.
Please don't drop it.
What started all this. It's not heavy, is it?
No. Oh my gosh, no. Yeah, would you look at that?
Does that make you happy?
It does.
Okay.
It does.
All right, let's get this.
Which area are we in?
I think it's going to go on my car because that's where the gas is. Do you know what this is?
Well, this definitely goes in there because that looks like it's right.
Yep.
I'm not quite sure.
It's a ground clamp.
That's what I thought.
That's what you. It's not what you thought because you didn't say it.
Sorry. This is a jumper cable.
Okay, what's this?
Oh, I actually have no idea. What the hell is that?
You just.
Did I zap you?
Yeah, we zapped each other.
I don't know. Apparently I'm British in this video.
I just told you what that was.
Grounding clip?
No.
You didn't tell me that.
Before the crinkling.
Do you think I remember that far?
Okay, so we got. Do you know what this is? Because I just told you that too.
That's the flame.
It's the painter.
The painter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the air hose.
Right.
Anyway,
Right.
we've got things to learn. And what I don't see in the box, it didn't come with any wire.
Does it need it?
Oh, but we got stickers.
Gosh,
There's a switch. Okay.
Dog.
It lights up. It makes
Oh.
fan stuff. Yeah, because from what I understand is you push the sync button, and if you change the settings, it's supposed to, yeah, it changes the wire speed and the amperage and the voltage. I'm not sure exactly. Oh, there's a light in there.
That's pretty cool.
Okay, we got beginner friendly down. We're going to find out. MIG 6 functions. Yeah, MIG, MMA, TIG, spot welding, spool gun. There's the, if you want to blow it up, that's what all the pieces would look like.
Blow it up.
It smells like Christmas or a Sears tire store.
Several days later.
All right, we're going to take a break from this video. It's a couple days later, and I want to go over a couple of things. One, the book that this comes with is this big, and I can't read it. So I went online and I found it. I printed it out. I put it in these sleeves, and it's going to go in a 3-ring binder at some point. Now, in this manual is all the things that we couldn't figure out, like the polarity. My old machine was on, off, high, low, and wire speed. That's it. So a couple of the features, see, she looked at this and she says, oh, she couldn't read this, it was too small. So she saw the loop and she saw the ground wire coming off. But this is for the flux wire. This one, the lead comes off here and it's looped around. I actually blew that up on the computer so I could see it better. But there's a couple of things that I wanted to point out on here that are pretty cool. Okay, here's your wire size. Ours is 030. Okay, we've got a button for flux, nickel chrome maybe, AMG, I don't know what some of the stuff. This is for straight CO2. We run a mix. But you can see the voltage is changing. So straight CO2 requires more voltage than this, I guess. We've got our, I can't say the word, syn. It's a syn button. What this does is it links these two together. So your wire speed, your voltage, and your amperage all change together. So if I want to run the amperage up, the voltage increases, and it also increases your wire speed. We can dial it in without the computer doing it. I'd rather have the computer do it. Somehow we've changed to 35. There we go. And I think it's this one. We should do this. Yeah. So there's a couple of different modes here. With this top one at the top, you squeeze the trigger, you weld, you let go, you stop. This one, you squeeze the trigger. So this one, the lower one, you squeeze the trigger, click, you let it go, it stays hot, keeps feeding the wire, and I haven't tested it yet, but this is my understanding. And then when you want to stop, you hit the trigger again. And this bottom one, I'm eager to test because that is spot weld. And from what I've read, what I understand is that will give you a, I don't know, 5-second burst or whatever. So you squeeze the trigger, it welds for 5 seconds, and boop, it stops. So we're going to try that out. So yeah, my big tip here is to see. I couldn't see these pictures. They're like dots. And if you want to do stick welding, oh no, that's TIG. And I haven't been able to get the TIG attachment yet. He says it's out of stock. And in the back of this, it actually tells you how to weld. Let's try it.
I love his right.
Can you see, or do you need more light?
I can see.
I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm fine.
Because it has. Where are you going?
What do you think?
Yeah.
Hello?
It's got lights.
Hey, who turned out the lights?
I'm gonna put that clip in here so many times.
Good. Should I take off my hoodie or no?
No, you'll be all right. Now, let's see. One of the pet peeves I have with my old welder. Wait a minute, let's try the wire. Nice. It's not hot all the time. I want the people to. I'm just going to use my left eye through this shield thing.
Damn it, I'm using my left eye?
Whoa. What do you think?
That was pretty good, actually.
All right, I'm going to set this down just in case we didn't get the shot.
My welding skills aren't good, but this is good.
She's never welded before.
That was really good, actually.
This was her first weld.
And that's my second. Well,
Okay.
no, with this machine. That's not bad, actually.
So just draw
this way.
little circles all the way across. All right, and this time I'm going to leave the camera on. I'm going to close my eyes so that we actually get it. Go ahead.
Yeah, see?
Is the helmet working?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Holy cow.
That's not a smart spot for a rag.
Well, you
Small casualties.
weren't supposed to weld the rag.
Yeah, that's fine.
You having fun?
I am actually. It's actually really fun.
Let's put pause on here and remember to turn my gas off. Oh, the gas was off.
No way. Oh, okay.
That whole time the gas was off.
So, how'd that work?
Let's find out.
Let me try it again.
Yeah, I guess so. Nice.
Not with the gas?
Oh,
What?
oh my God.
Yeah, see, that's better.
All right, draw a bead on that. I wonder why I didn't hear any.
Not bad.
All of my apprehension about this
Yeah.
just went away. This was, I mean, we've been out here for what, 3-4 hours, and that is way better than my old welder. That is so much
First
better.
thing, not even with the gas on it was good.
If you would like to buy one of these, there is a, how much?
5% discount.
5% discount. Put a link in the description. All right, what's your Instagram?
I'll pull it up.
No, you tell me. What's your Instagram? People want to find you.
Which one? Which Instagram?
The
Our
one you,
Instagram?
yeah.
So it's jen.III_auto.
No, we forgot.
What?
My apron. I was going to have you model it. Next time?
Next video.
Next video, we'll put... My girls bought me this beautiful apron to replace the ratty one that I have. And, to keep my clothes pretty.
Good.
They're not.
They're already like that, though.
But I think for the next video, I think you should wear the apron.
I'll do it.
Just to show it off. And then after that, I'll take it away from you.
Thanks. Well, I think that's it.
Okay.